KPIs coming under the user metrics cover user experience and track user enrollment, activity, interactions, and drops. This data can be invaluable to improve the segmentations and enable more from each customer. The 6 KPIs that you may want to track under user metrics are activation rate, active users, customer churn rate, DAU to MAU ratio, sign-ups, viral coefficient, activation rate. You can view this as the number of users onboarding or subscribing to your product. This can tell the number of qualified leads getting converted to paying subscribers. If a user struggles during setup, they are less likely to become a paying subscriber. If your users are facing this challenge, you may need to adjust your sales processes. Average activation rates vary widely depending on what you set as your milestone. Active users. Define active users based on your product and the actions you expect or want users to take. It is a measure of the people who interact with your product, website, or application in a given time frame. For example, you might count a user as active if they open your app or log into the product platform. This startup metric tells you how many people are engaging with your product regularly. Businesses typically track the number of daily active users, DAU, and monthly active users, MAU. Customer churn rate. Customer churn rate is the percentage of customers lost during a given period. Typically, churn rate includes only paying customers and not the free trial or freemium level clients. For SaaS or mobile apps, a churn customer is one who cancels their subscription. For e-commerce, churn rate looks at customers who fail to make a repeat purchase within an average time frame for the business, such as 90 or 120 days. The inverse of churn rate is customer retention rate, or the percentage of customers who stay with you over a set period. Businesses often calculate churn monthly, but you could also calculate churn rate by cohort, a group of customers who sign up or activate the product at the same time. DAU to MAU ratio. The ratio of DAU to MAU looks at the proportion of monthly active users who engage with your product in a single day. Let's take an example. Say on an average day, you have 100 unique active users, and in a month you have 500 unique active users. Your DAU to MAU ratio would be 1:5, meaning that 1 out of 5 monthly active users come back to your product on a daily basis. DAU to MAU ratio is a snapshot of user engagement. It gives you more insight than just tracking overall number of users. Signups. Signups are mainly a SaaS startup metric. It tells you how many people have subscribed to your service. One common mistake with this metric is tracking only total signups overall instead of looking at monthly or daily signups. Compare signups month over month to measure how demand for your product is growing. By monitoring daily or monthly signups, you can track the growth in signup rate over time. Viral coefficient. Viral coefficient is the number of new customers or users generated by each existing customer. This metric is beneficial if you have referral programs or incentives in place because it will help you gauge the success of those programs. If customers are recommending your brand to their network, they are clearly getting value out of your product. The main goal with a positive viral coefficient is achieving explosive organic growth. It can be challenging to track viral coefficient outside of an established referral program. One method would be to ask new customers if an existing customer referred them. Remember that each user is a potential customer. A happy customer will always endorse and recommend your product or service, which will enable growth and translate to higher revenues. Monitor and measure your user metric KPIs regularly. Revise your strategies based on your performance on these KPIs to provide a seamless customer experience journey leading to higher user interaction with your products and services. Pivot for repeatable business or to gain new customers.